Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a galaxy look using the James Charles palette along with the Morphe 8S Stellar Impact highlighting palette. Alright, so I'm going to start with putting the foundation on and everything, and then we'll do the eyeshadows. We're going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm using a eyeshadow lock primer. That way my black sticks on and it doesn't smudge all over the other colors. Did I mention that I was going for a galaxy look today? That's the goal. Alright, so we're going to use the James Charles palette to start. And we're going to start with Benny, which is this shadow here at the end. The Morphe 441 brush. And now we're going to jump into the Morphe 224 brush. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Set and Mist Spray to wet the brush. We're going to jump into Artistry with this, which is this shimmery purple here. And now we're going to use another M224 brush for this blue down here. And it is called Acapella. And I'm going to mist the brush again for the blue. And now we're going to use a Morphe M456 brush to use Spooky, which is the black here. We're going to use it on the outside corners. Now we're going to use the Morphe 456 brush to put a lighter shade just above this dark on top, below the eyebrow. So now we're going to be using Punch Me, which is this one here, for below the eyebrow to blend that and smoke that out. There's a lot of fallout. I don't know if it's because of the primer that I used, but I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of fallout. The purple and the blue have a lot of fallout. And now we're gonna use the M431 brush. And we're gonna use the brush for the bottom to smoke it out. And to smoke it out, I'm gonna use the Benny, which is the first color we used. And now we're going to use a Morphe 152 brush. And we're going to use Ring Light for the inner corner of the eyes. We're going to bring it into that smoky black there. And now we're going to use the Morphe 2501. And we're going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And we're going to create little dots, very little dots, to give the illusion of stars in the galaxy. Alright, so once that is on, I'm gonna jump into the Wet n Wild glitter and gold. We're just gonna tap our finger and then tap it on the lid. And we're gonna use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Alright, so the eyeshadows are done. Now we're gonna do the highlighter, which is the purpose of this video, to try out the new highlighters that I just got, which is the Morphe S8 palette. Okay, so we're gonna use the Morphe 501 brush for the highlighter. We'll see how that goes. Oh shit, that's gorgeous. This color is so pretty. And then I'm also gonna mix Meteor along with Ultraviolet, which is the first one that I used, and I'm gonna coat it kind of on top of it to see what effect it'll give it. What other colors should we layer on top of it? We're gonna do Mirage. And then for the bridge of the nose, I'm gonna go back to Ultraviolet. And we're gonna use Comet, this one here, kind of like in the blush area. See how that looks. Oh, that's pretty. So I really like the highlighters. They blend really nice together. They work really well together. It blends well. It doesn't look patchy, doesn't feel patchy. So now we're gonna jump into the mascara. We're gonna use the mascara now. We're gonna be using the Dior Addict We're gonna be using the Dior Addict It Lash mascara. And now we're gonna use the Dior Show New Look. I really like this Dior mascara. I'm gonna try to create the same effect on my lips with the eyeshadows, so let's do it. All it takes is common sense. All it takes is money, love, and happiness. Money, love, and happiness. Money, love, and happiness. Happiness, happiness, money. Love it once you get in the special place. It's in the basement. You have to work your way around. Alright, so I'm done with the lips.
Alex.
It looks funny because of the beard.
Alex.
I'm actually going to put a little bit more highlighter. And we're going to go in with Ultraviolet. I'm pretty satisfied with this look. What do you guys think? No lashes today. Don't feel like putting on lashes. That way y'all can see the actual colors. What do you guys think? I like it. Looks cool. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.